Like and subscribe, hit that bell, link in the description for the Oculus.
Oh, look, it's Darth Vader.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, say what's up, YouTube.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube?
What up, YouTube? Something light. A freaking Oculus.
It's not light, it's heavy.
Quest 2. I mean, this is like the VR headset of right now. 2021, like this is it. This is the one. There's other VRs out on the market. I like this one because it's a standalone, is what they call it in the business, which means you don't need a phone to put in it. It's just this right here. You know what I'm saying? Virtual reality. This is the big one, 256 gig. I don't know if I'm going to be using that much space. I don't know. This is just something to, you know, I think it's going to be something fun.
Oh,
What do you think,
everybody.
Pack?
Don't. Oh, my dad's going to 12. My nose in the camera.
Oh. You want to open it? What do you think?
Just want to open it.
Should we open it? Alright, let's get it in.
Okay, we're only going to open
Let's start right here. Maybe this will open the whole thing. It does open the whole thing. They figured this out. You know how these things are hard to get like the wrapper on? Look, pull that. Pull it. Oh my God. Dude, they figured it out. They figured it out.
And also, if you weren't wondering, here's what you have to see. Okay. Yeah.
You ready? Look. We're in open mode here. That's not bubble wrap. Alright, so the box, very nice little box. Inside the box we got a VR headset, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, power adapter, glasses spacer, and a charging cable. So we got next level hardware, a blazing fast processor, and ultra realistic graphics. Put you in the center of the action. Easy setup. Open the box and jump right into VR. No PC console, wires, or external sensors needed. Y'all ready? You ready? O for Oculus. Oh, this is gonna be pretty good. Ready? Whew.
Like the controller's garbage.
Why? Dude, this is gonna be so cool. Alright, here, see if you can hold it. Dude. So left hand. This hand.
Okay.
Alright, see if you can. Hold on.
Hold on.
Here. Put your thumbs go up on that. Yep. That kind of stuff. And then your thumb hits the buttons too. So it's gonna be hard for him. He's too young for this, apparently. You have to be a certain age, but we're gonna try it out anyways.
Don't try it out anyways.
Alright, so we got in here.
Don't you dare try it
Yeah,
out.
I'm gonna try it out. We're gonna try it out.
Don't you dare try it out anyways.
Power block, cord, manual, reference guide. Cool. Alright, basics. The basics. It gives you steps. All you have to do is pull this out. Oh, we pulled it out. Cool. Pull this one out. Pack, quit. pull that one out. Nice. Okay, that's step one apparently. Step two. Oh man. All right. Glasses spacer. Oh, if you wear glasses, okay, you can use this. Glasses spacer. Cool box though. Nice setup, Oculus. Good job.
Yeah, nice, because when the guy said that you didn't need a tab, you need a tab. So why'd you do that?
Look.
This is all you see.
Alright, I'm doing a close up of this. Let y'all peek at it. Apparently the strap's really crappy on these things, but looks like there's two cameras here, so maybe you can just straight see at them. What is that? C-type, I think that's what they call it. Got an aux jack thing on button. Two. Dude, what? They know where they're at. Dude, what? It's just ridiculous, dude. Oh yeah, that was it. Dude, this is just so crystal clear that I can't even take it. We really made it as a human society, because this is ridiculous. This is absolutely just incredible. Like, thank you for this. This is just awesome. Safety, they're all about the safety, because this thing is nutty. Restarting headset. Why? I don't want to ever leave. Dude, it's all the way around. Oh my god. Pack, I'm just gonna get it set up and then you can try.
What?
I'm gonna get everything set up and get you in a game. That way you can try it. This is insane. Like, these things, I'm literally just seeing these without my hands right now, and it is incredible. What the heck, dude? That is insane. Okay, This is weird. Yeah. You lose all sense of what's going on. I'm not touching my ceiling because I'm in a freaking dream world with little balls around me. Little review of the Oculus Quest 2. I've had this thing about a week now, and it's awesome. I love it. There's many games to play on it. There's so much fun stuff to do. It is really just the future. It's the craziest thing I've ever, technology-wise, ever used, for sure. And I'm a gamer. The games on this are sick. YouTube's sick on it. You know, it's just, the quality of video is just really amazing. This is the only VR I've ever tried. I don't know about others on the market, but this one does the job. This one is absolutely just nasty. Controllers are kind of cool to use. Once you get the Oculus, you'll figure the controller out. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but pretty basic stuff. You got triggers, 2 buttons, joysticks on both of them. Pretty user-friendly, if you ask me. The eyepieces in the middle, you can move them in and out. Pretty basic, and it gives you a depending on, I guess, your eyesight, you move them in and out and you get a more clear picture. The strap is not that good. One kind of con of the Oculus Quest 2 is there's a lot of added accessories, so your initial purchase will probably not be your only one. I haven't made any more purchases for it, but I probably will. But that's just, you know, you're not gonna get everything all in one. You're gonna have to pay more to get more stuff, pretty much. Pretty comfortable. It's not that uncomfortable for me. The first night I used it, I did get like a little headache type thing, but since then it hadn't been bad at all. Battery life. So it takes 2.5 hours to charge. You get about 2 hours to play with it. Like a 2-hour charge, I guess. But it takes about 2.5 hours to charge. Tips and tricks. Hold the power button, power it off, and then plug it in to charge it. Don't just, there's like a sleep mode. If you just click the button, it'll put it to sleep. You think it's off, but it's not, and it will not charge it as well. So hold the power button till it gives you the thing to power it off. Click power off, then charge it. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this. I think it's a very cool addition. If you have a family, it's cool for everybody. I'm gonna let my son play it a little bit, but I'm gonna keep him 10 minutes at a time, nothing too crazy till he gets older. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff to do on this. I recommend this to anyone. You know, if you haven't done VR before, it's pretty much mind-blowing. I got a link in the description too, so if you click through that to potentially purchase it, I'd appreciate that. If anybody has any comments or anything about what y'all think about VR, if you have your own, if you have different VR sets, you know, maybe like a future video of what you'd want me to see me do with the VR, just drop a comment down there. I'm getting close to 50 subscribers also, and I think I'm going to do a giveaway. I don't really know how to go about it, but just know that's coming in the future. So keep liking the channel, or keep liking the videos, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. I got links in all my bios for all the products I have in my videos. And just keep on keeping on. Preach.